In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gauge dashboard component in Salesforce. We'll start by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Once there, let's dive into our app launcher, a handy grid icon that gives us quick access to various tools and functions we frequently use. Just click on it and you'll see a list of options. Next, select Dashboards. Dashboards allow us to visualize data and gain insights in a structured and efficient manner. It's a key part of analyzing metrics, so let's create a new one. Look for and click the New Dashboard button. It is essential to name your dashboard thoughtfully because it will help in identifying it later among numerous other dashboards. Add a description if you find it necessary. This will provide context for others who might access it. Now hit the Create button. With the dashboard environment open, we're ready to add our first widget. Click on Add Widget, where you'll find numerous visualization options, including charts and tables. For our Gauge component today, select Chart or Table and choose a report. Be selective with your report choice as it determines the data that will display in your Gauge. Click. Select after picking your report to confirm your choice. To truly bring your data to life, click on Add Widget again. Within this section, choose the Gauge widget. The Gauge is superb in visually representing data against specific thresholds, which brings me to my next point. Focus on Measure. This setting will decide what metric your Gauge displays. Next up is Segment Ranges. Segment ranges allow us to demarcate areas of performance, such as low, medium, or high, providing immediate visual cues on how the data stacks up. Then, look at Display Units. This option lets you decide how numbers are displayed, whether in thousands, millions, or just as they are, which can make a huge difference in readability. Let's also not forget decimal places. Adjust this to control the precision that appears in your data, based on what makes the most sense for your audience. Moving on, input your title name for the widget. This step is key for giving context at a glance. Focus on Widget Theme, where you can customize colors and visual styling to align with brand guidelines or simply your personal aesthetic. With everything set up as you like it, click on Add. This step solidifies the component's position into your dashboard layout. Finally, saving is crucial. Click on Save to preserve all the elements and configurations you've worked on today. Having completed these steps, you now have a fully functional Gauge dashboard component in Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy dashboarding!